I'm in Lakeland right now, Lakeland, Florida, in front of the Imperial Swan Hotel and Suites. The reason why I'm here is, and they actually done some more work on it, but you see that yellow over there, this hotel was badly damaged during Hurricane Irma. And I guess when the hurricane was happening, they had a whole bunch of guests in there and it actually got flooded with like 19 inches of water. Well, it took off most of this siding. They've actually done a lot of work. On Monday I seen a picture of it in the paper, and I don't have the paper with me, I forgot to bring it, but when I get home, I'll show you the picture in it. But it was quite a mess. They've done some work on it already, but they still have a lot to go. This is also the winter home of the Detroit Tigers. They use it during the winter and during spring training. An interesting fact, I think it was the previous hotel before this in Lakeland that the Tigers used for their spring training winter home, actually stayed at. I never stayed at this one, I've never been in this one. I think it's, some would probably consider this a nicer hotel than the previous one. I don't know, I thought the other one was okay. I don't even know they even have guests there at the moment. It's attached to a garage, to that little hallway thing. And the address is 4141 South Florida Avenue. Here, let me show you a little bit more. Yeah, from the picture I see in the paper on Monday, or it was, no, actually it was Tuesday, none of that white, or none of that yellow was there, so they've already, either that is the original covering or they put that up since then, I'm not sure. Like I said, I will show you the picture of it, and you can see the raw damage, but there's right there, the stuff that they either fell off during the hurricane, but they've been pulling off and they've been cleaning up. And part of the Detroit Tigers sign has been ripped off. It says it's open, so maybe there's another place you can go in there, I'm not sure. But like I said, they had like 19 inches of water. They had to evacuate the first floor, from what I understand, and go to the second one. I thought there might be some interest in seeing this. I wasn't going to do any more filming for Hurricane Irma, and I remember this, and I thought, oh, this is a little bit more, would be a little bit more interesting because the Detroit Tigers stay here during the winter and for spring training. It's a decently big hotel, I guess. It looks like across the street. Actually, it looks like this flagpole's bent. I bet you that happened during the hurricane. That must be the pool over there. Anyways, I wanted to show this. Thought there might be some interest in it. Bit of a brief video, but still pretty cool show, I think. Well, I don't want to put a happy face on this. It's not. It's horrible. But I thought there might be some interest in showing it. Especially if you're a Detroit Tigers fan. Alright, here's the newspaper photo I was telling you about. The Imperial Swan Hotel and Suites in Florida, which is the spring, well, it's the winter home of the Detroit Tigers and the spring training home too, I believe. And this is what it looked like right after the damage. This paper is the Ledger from Tuesday, September 12th, 2017. This is what it looked like. By the time I got there, it was cleaned up some, and this has been cleaned up too, this part. But you still saw some of the debris here. You'll see, well, let's see, this is probably going to go, yeah, this will go after the video that I filmed on Friday. Was it Friday? No, I think I went Saturday, actually, to see this, and there was already work done. I guess from what I understand, some of the roof came off, some of the windows broken were upper floors, causing some rain and water to get in there, so some guests had to move around. But I wanted to show this to you. Here's part of the article. You can read it if you want. I won't show the whole thing. Okay, and then I'll show you a picture of what it looked like before it was damaged. This is what they looked like before they got damaged. This is off their website. So you can tell the difference. I'm not sure how old this photo is. You can tell that the Detroit Tigers thing is not there. But the building's pretty much the same, so I just wanted to show you a quick picture of it.